Preparation of accounting vouchers. Classification of accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers may be classified as cash vouchers, debit vouchers, credit vouchers, journal vouchers, etc. Accounting voucher format. There is no set format on an accounting voucher. Vouchers must be preserved for the purpose of audit of accounts and tax assessments. Presently, vouchers are computerized. These include the code number and the name of accounts to be debited and credited. Transaction voucher. The accounting voucher prepared for a simple transaction is known as transaction voucher. Simple transaction is the one that involves one debit and one credit. Complex or journal voucher. Transactions with multiple debits and multiple credits are called complex transactions, and the accounting voucher prepared for such transaction is known as complex voucher. This voucher is also known as journal voucher. Compound voucher. It is a voucher that records a transaction that entails multiple debits or credits and one credit or debit. Types of compound voucher: debit voucher, credit voucher, design of accounting voucher. The accounting voucher designs depends upon the nature, requirement and convenience of the business. There is no set format of an accounting voucher. However, to distinguish various vouchers, different color papers and different fonts of printing are used. Essentials of an accounting voucher. An accounting voucher must contain the following essential elements. These essential elements are: it must be written on good quality paper, name of the firm must be printed on the top, the number of the voucher is to be in a serial order, date of transaction must be filled up against the date and not the date of recording of transaction is to be mentioned. Name of the account to be debited or credited is mentioned. Description of the transaction is to be given account-wise. Debit and credit amount is to be written in figures against the amount. The person who prepares the voucher must mention his name along with signature. The name and signature of the authorized person are mentioned on the voucher.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.